Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to upload a custom world or adventure map or whatever type of Minecraft world you want to a minehut server. So what we're going to want to do is just go to our My Servers list here after we've logged into minehut, and we're going to go click on our Manage Server button over here. And they've changed a few things around recently, so there's not going to be a world tab in the tabs menu up here at the very top. So to find that, we're going to have to go into settings, and we're going to scroll down until we see world settings, which is they've moved it down to here. So in order to upload the world, we're just going to click the upload zip button. Then we're going to click on the world that we want to upload. So it has to be a zip file, I think, in order for it to work. So you're going to want to have it, in a zip folder. If you don't know how to do that, just right click on the world folder that you want to be a zip file and then go send to, and then click on compressed zip file and it will do that. And that'll upload real quick. And then what we're going to do is go into the file manager, and we're going to scroll down and look for the world that we want over here. It's going to be Olectralab's Void, and we're just going to right click on that, and we're going to go rename, and we're just going to copy the name of this thing, and we're going to go back to settings, scroll down to world settings again, and where it says selected worlds, we're going to delete everything that's in here, and we're going to paste in the exact name of that file of the world that we want to use. Then we're just going to go ahead and hit save changes, and then when we restart the server, we just click this restart button. It says, are you sure you want to restart your server? You go click yes, and that will shut down the server and upload your new world, and it will keep all of the same settings that you've had enabled. So if you had it listed under SMP, your visibility, your max players, PvP enabled, command blocks, all of your world settings will be saved of what you've set them to already on your server. So you don't have to worry about going through and resetting all those settings. I know when you go into the thing, if you scroll right down to the bottom and you hit reset server and you go to reset the server, you have to actually change all of the settings back to what you want them to be, but you don't have to if you're just uploading a custom world. It'll all stay the same. So I'll be right back once that has finished uploading. Alright, so we are now back in the Minecraft. As you can see, we're on my server. I just do this thing. If I go game mode creative, you'll see that I still have operator privileges, and we're now on my new world that I wanted to specifically upload to this server. And that's how you go ahead and upload a world of your choosing to the minehut website. So now you can go do that. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.